Uncle Edwin YouTube channel.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, everyone. Welcome back to Uncle Edwin YouTube channel. I hope you have a good day, guys. Today I'm gonna review the Secret Trooper action figure from the Devil Toys W00 toy line. On the file card located at the back of the package, the Wu Secret Trooper figure has the nickname CCTV and was released in 2018 yesterday. Honestly, I'm interested in buying this figure because I like the shape of the figure. I like the futuristic robot model figure in the shape or size of a human. Look at the details, guys, what do you think? I think the design and details are pretty cool, worth adding to your 3.75-inch category figure collection, guys. Oh yeah friend, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to subscribe the Uncle Edwin YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell button so you can get the notification every time there is a new video update on Uncle Edwin YouTube channel. Thank you in advance, hope you enjoy this review. This figure comes with three kinds of accessories. The first one, we can call it as a sci-fi rifle. Simple design, amazing sculpt with a great color. Nice! The second accessory is a black gun equipped with a silencer and infrared sensor. Nice! The third accessory is a small military green backpack that can be removed and comes with a simple and quite attractive design. The articulation of the head is in the form of a ball joint. The head can be tilted left and right like this. Then it can be tilted to the right and left like this. The head can also be lowered and tilted upwards as far as this. Can also be rock bubble head like this. Nice! The shoulder articulation is in the form of a butterfly joint, so the arms can be spread out to the sides this far. Then the hands can be moved back and forth this far. Because the shoulder joint in the form of butterfly joint, the hand can also be moved back and forth like this. There are elbow joints that can be bent and straightened back this far. The elbows can also be rotated 360 degrees like this. The palm of the hand can be rotated 360 degrees. Then the palm of the hand can also be bent outward and inward this far. There are swivel joints on the chest and waist, but because they are blocked by the face gear, the waist can only be rotated to the right and left as far as this. Then it can be tilted up and down as far as this. The thigh joint is a ball joint. The leg can be kicked forward as far as this. Then it can be kicked back as far as this. Oh yeah guys, there is also 360 degrees swivel joint on the thigh of the figure. The knee joint can be bent and straightened back this far. The boots can be rotated 360 degrees and the soles of the feet can be bent down and turned up this far. This CCTV figure has a height of approximately 10.5 cm or approximately 4 inches. Here's a comparison of CCTV figures with some other 3.75-inch category figures. Considering the figure design is quite new and innovative, and the coloring is quite good, overall I would give a 9 out of a maximum of 10 for the Wu CCTV figure. In my opinion, the only drawback is the palm of the hand is a bit small in size and can only hold the figure's default weapon. That's all for this review guys. If you have any question, please fill in the comments column below. If you like this video, please click the like button. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to get an update on the latest figure review from Uncle Edwin YouTube channel. I'm sorry if there are words that are not pleasing to the hearts of all my friends. See you in the next review guys. God bless you all. Ciao.